And finally, method 3, again select the center line, press X to get a section, V to square it up for us, and we go to sketch plane again, sketch tools, rectangle, and in here we draw a rectangle, P for pull. So we now have a surface pointing towards the center line, which we can drag, say 0.25, return, and select this face, drag that face 0.25, oops, wrong, 0.25, select the corners, control select that one, 0.5, there we have our handle again. So all these methods require no geometry, and I think it's easier and quicker to do it these ways. Hope you enjoyed that, hope you find them all useful. Bye.